And welcome back to another DMHN trading analysis video. This is now 7:20 AM here in Perth, Australia. So we're about 40 minutes towards the Tokyo session. So if that's what you're trading, the Tokyo session, then this is the video for you. Now, as usual, we'll be trading our top 5 pairs that I'll be trading, as see on the screen here. And before we go on do our predictions of what's and an analysis of what's going to happen during the session, we're going to have a look back at what we did during the New York session. Now, New York, things took a turn. Things did take a turn. Now, let me just double check something. So I did this all around 7 p.m. Okay, 7 p.m. last night. So, yeah, okay. So, Aussie yen, it actually did go in the direction that I thought it would, and it did so very spot on too. The price was here, and we predicted it was going to a upward direction, which it did, and it went straight all the way to the actual resistance point. It broke out, and that's why I thought it was a breakout. That's why I entered the trade, as you can see here. But then it just it trickled back down, and it could go into a downtrend. So, bit of a pickle there, but you know. Trading rules are trading rules. You stick to your plans. If you do a 50 to 40 pips trade, I'm going to stick with it. Now obviously if it's really obvious that it's a downtrend, then I'm going to cut out. But now at the moment I'm just going to let it hang. And it's only 0.011 volume, so it's something that I can spare. You know what I mean? But anyway, it's all part of the process. You live and you learn. You fail and you win. But yeah, so where will it go from here? Now, if it was in a continuous uptrend, as we see on the 4 and the daily, I mean, daily is the strongest indicator, right? So if daily is saying that we are in an uptrend, which it definitely looks like we are, although it's, you would also say that's consolidating too, wouldn't you? Because it is hitting those lines. That resistance line is very strong. It hit there once and it hit there again. It probably broke through once, and it hit there again. So it's a very, very strong resistance line. So breakout, it's unlikely. So I should have looked it up when I traded it, but anyway, that's what the daily is saying. So if we go back to the 1 hour, if anything, the 1 hour does. Oh, it's still in the blue. It's still in the blue. Okay. So it's still in an uptrend as it looks like. So we have to do what the 1 hour looks, not just go by us. I reckon it'll hit the max line. So this is the reversal line that I've indicated here, and that's the highest price that that it's gone through throughout the year. Whether it hit that or not, we'll see. Now this is the pullback zone, and I reckon this will be the newish support line before we go into a downtrend. Okay. So that's my analysis for the Aussie yen. Moving on to the British yen. Obviously guys, if you have any feedback, comments, any questions, anything you want to add, yeah, feedback definitely. Put them in the comments below if you think these are wrong, if you think these are right, or you want to know why I'm doing these ways. Anything that would help, I'm all for it. Okay, so moving on to the British yen. Obviously, we thought it was going to be a downtrend. Now it was in an uptrend here, half the blue trend line. So why we didn't follow that, don't know why. We should definitely be following this one now on. So yeah, maybe it was biased from the 4 hour and the daily, but yeah, the 1 hour is definitely in an uptrend, and will probably continue to do so. So where will the new points be? Now, if there's anything to go by, we have to see that if it will breaks this point here. So this is the new uptrend zone. I'll be trading in. Now, would I trade this? Not really. Mainly because there's no confluence. You know, it's not, you know, agreeing with our 4 hour, and it's not agreeing with our daily. So therefore, we're not trading it. But we're keeping it in mind, and if there's a good indicator, then yeah, we go for it. But otherwise, we won't be trading this one. Okay. Aussie USD. Now I just got to put a quick mental note there too. Direction not agree with 4 hour and daily. This just as a reminder. You can easily get mixed in the moment and you forget. So Aussie dollar, we thought it was going in downtrend. It definitely was a downtrend direction. Now what kind of movement pattern do we see here? So this is an impulsive move down. No, I don't recognize this pattern. It's not really a pattern. Either way, it is in an uptrend as noted here. So we're just going to adjust things accordingly. So this is that 1 hour uptrend now. Okay, and this is now a downtrend. Pullback zone. Okay. Okay, and in the last two NAS. So this one is definitely consolidating in this channel here. So what I'm going to do this time is I'm going to move this to about here, just so it can mark our consolidating channel. As a reminder that we're not saying that it's in the downward direction, we're saying that it's definitely trending that way. But when we do this, if we leave a big gap here, it means it's consolidating. It means price is just going to be choppy. It's just going to wank in here like a ping pong ball. Not really doing anything. So no trades there, obviously. And lastly, we got the gold USD. Now gold USD is definitely moving in an uptrend. We said it would be a pullback. Hiccups. I'm sorry. But yeah, it's definitely changed. So we are now in our pullback. And this is now the uptrend zone. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, so that is the new one. Now, does that confluence with our 1 hour, 4 hour, and daily? No, it does not. But daily never lies. Daily is in a downtrend. NAS is in a downtrend. Aussie dollar is in a downtrend. Great British Pound is in a downtrend. And Aussie yen is in the. So really what we're looking at today will be the Aussie yen. So we're already in a trade. So for me personally, I won't be doing any trades during this session, during the Tokyo session, as I am already in a trade that I'm in favor to. So I'm going to leave it as that. On the 1 hour, it's still in an uptrend, so only worry about 30 minutes changing to a downtrend. But overall, it looks like I'm in a right position, especially with my 4 hour analysis. So yeah, according to the 4 hour analysis, we're pretty good on. We entered late, which is unfortunate. But yeah, anyway, that's my analysis today. If you have any questions, again, let us know in the comments below. I hope you like the video, and I'll see you next time. Thank you.